Have you ever wondered how Europe achieved the monumental task of creating one currency for over 20 countries? This is the story of the euro. The euro is more than just a means of exchange. It's a symbol of European unity and a testament to decades of economic integration efforts. Today, the euro is the official currency for over 340 million people in 20 Eurozone countries, making it the second most traded currency globally. The idea of a single European currency is rooted in the desire for greater economic stability and closer political union following major global conflicts. The journey to the euro was long, paved with strategic agreements, and driven by a shared vision of a unified European economy. Early efforts focused on post-World War II economic integration, aiming to foster cooperation and prevent future conflicts through shared prosperity. The establishment of the European Union set the stage, creating the political framework necessary for a single currency to become a reality. The Maastricht Treaty defined the strict economic and fiscal convergence criteria that member states had to meet before they could adopt the euro. After years of preparation, the launch and physical adoption of the euro marked a historic moment for the continent. The euro was officially launched for electronic transfers in 1999, and physical banknotes and coins entered circulation in 2002, replacing national currencies. Initial benefits included streamlined trade, easier travel across borders, and greater price transparency for consumers and businesses. The Eurozone has faced significant challenges, testing its resilience and prompting crucial reforms to strengthen the currency union. One structural challenge is managing a single monetary policy across diverse economies, leading to uneven impacts in different member states. The 2008 financial crisis exposed deep vulnerabilities in the Eurozone, triggering a sovereign debt crisis in several countries. The Greek debt crisis was a major test, requiring massive bailout measures and painful austerity programs to prevent the collapse of the Eurozone. Despite past hurdles, the euro remains a cornerstone of the European project, evolving and adapting to global economic changes. Today, the Eurozone is working on tighter fiscal integration and banking union initiatives to increase stability and resilience. The future involves ongoing reforms, discussions around a digital euro, and the continuous effort to achieve a more unified economic bloc. The euro is a remarkable achievement, showcasing the potential for cross-border cooperation in creating a single, powerful currency. From its initial vision to overcoming major crises, the euro's story is one of determination, continuous reform, and the enduring quest for a unified European economy.